Hi, boys and girls. Today in writing, I'm going to dictate a sentence to you and you will be writing it. I'm going to help you as you go along. So I'm going to have Miss Pina pause this video so she can pass out the papers and then we can get started. Okay, boys and girls, our sentence for today is I. We should know how to write that because it's one of our high frequency words, also our mystery words. So you're going to go I. What comes next? Good job, finger space. So finger space. Like, ready? Ooh. I like. Now remember, we're only writing what we hear. But if you know that at the end of this letter there's an E, then you can go ahead and write it. But right now, I am only writing what I hear. So I have I like. What comes next? Finger space. Good job. Like to. Ready? That's also a mystery word. To. Tss. Ooh. I like to. What comes next? Finger space. Play. Ready? Let's sound it out together. P, p, p. Ooh. A. Okay, so far I like to play. And I don't have any more room over here, so I'm going to bring it down here. So I'm going to say I like to play with. Ready? W, 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 w. I, 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 I. T, t, t. With. Ooh, what's that sound? With. Ooh, that is the spitty sound. So remember, TH makes that sound. I like to play with. Then I'm going to get what comes next. Finger space, my. M-Y spells my. And we know that. I didn't sound that one out because we know that one because it's our mystery word. So I like to play with my finger space. Here I go. Toys. T. O. E. What do I hear? E. Toy. Oh, toy. Yeah. Oh, I hear Y. Toy. And then I'm going to do my period. Now, let's do our checks to see if we have all our sentence structure. Do I have an uppercase? Check. Do I have finger spaces? Check. Do I have punctuation? Check. Did I write all the sounds that I heard as I was writing? Check. Now, if Miss Pina needs to pause this so the rest of you can catch up, that's okay. The rest of us can move on. Once you are done writing your sentence, now you can draw your picture. What should my picture have? My sentence says, I like to play with my toy. Did I say toys? Or did I say toy? That is right, toy. So we need to pick one toy that we like to play with. Well, I know what I'm going to draw because I love to play with my Minnie Mouse. So I'm going to draw myself. Now, does your picture have to be perfect? No, it just has to be your best work. So I'm going to draw myself. First, I draw with my pencil. And then I color, and I'm going to draw my Minnie Mouse right here. I'm not very good at drawing Minnie Mouse, but I'm going to try my best. So she is my Minnie Mouse. I also want to add details, so I'm going to put that we're outside, enjoying the beautiful weather. I'm going to make a sun. Some clouds. But Miss Valenzuela forgot a very important part. To write her name. I need to know who to be proud of. So that should be the first thing you do. You write your name. Okay, so now that I am done using my pencil, I'm going to put my pencil away and now I can color. I'm going to make my picture look super cute. I'm going to make a pink bow to Minnie Mouse so we can match. I'm going to color my Minnie Mouse this color because I like this color. And then I'm going to color the sun yellow. I'm going to I'm just going to add an outline to my clouds. And I am now done. So once I am done, I can put it on the yellow circle so Miss Pina can give them to me on Monday. Okay, boys and girls, I hope you have fun coloring. See you Monday.